हाँ स्टार्ट करिए. हेलो. हाँ 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 ठीक है. Welcome everyone. Good afternoon. We'll start our questionnaire session. The various uh, subjects related to your Indian geography, and since we discussed many times that apart from your factual basis questions, also we need your analytical also. Analytical have a clear weightage, right, of discussing the questions. Let's proceed now. And after every two successive question, we'll discuss the answer, right? We'll see where is the Loktak Lake situated. We'll see where is the Loktak Lake situated. Loktak Lake situated in Kerala, Uttaranchal, Manipur and Rajasthan. Loktak Lake is situated is in Manipur. C. Then which of the following water bodies separate the Andaman from Nicobar? From Andaman from Nicobar. Which of the following water bodies separates Andaman from the Nicobar? 11-degree channel, Gulf of Mannar, 10-degree channel, and Andaman Sea. Separates Andaman from Nicobar. Separates your Andaman from Nicobar. This is your Andaman, Andamans, and this is your Nicobar. This is your Nicobar. Which one? That one is your, that is your 10-degree channel. It is 10-degree channel. Answer is your C. 10-degree channel. Manipur, first we'll discuss. Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India and also called the only floating lake in the world due to the floating foam days. Right, due to the floating foam days. Foam days is an heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil and organic matters. Vegetation, soil and organic matters at various stages of decomposition, particularly on it, is located near Moirang in Manipur state. The etymology of Loktak is Lok means stream and Tak means the end. The Kebul Lamjao National Park, which is the last natural refuge of the endangered Sangai or Manipur brown antlered deer. Manipur endangered Sangai and Manipur brown antlered deer, one of the 3 subspecies of Eldis deer. Covering an area of 40 square kilometer, is situated in the southeastern source of the lakes. Situated in the southeastern source of the lake. Southeastern source of the lake. And is the largest of all fumdis in the lake. Largest of all fumdis in the lakes. 10-degree channel jodi ko nebi. Manipur Lake jodi hela, that is also Kebul Lamjao National Park, the only floating lake. Jemti jota ki ame odia jota ko Dolo Gadia. Floating National Park, this one. The 10-degree channel is the channel that separates the Little Andaman and Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. 10-degree channel that separates the Little Andaman and Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. The 2 sets of islands together form the Indian Union Territory of Andamans and Nicobar Islands. 2 sets of islands together form Indian Union Territory, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island. This channel is 150 km wide. 150 km wide. It is said to be the western trade winds was used by Arabians. They crossed through this channel. Western trade winds they crossed by your Arabians. They used by the Arabians, they crossed through this channel in 15th century. Next question. Which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Largest river basin in India: the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the Krishna. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and the Krishna. Largest river basin in India. It is the देखो केवल India. Then answer is your, it is Ganges. Next देखो, which one of the following states is located in the Banihal Pass? Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Sikkim. Banihal Pass. Question वाला भी पढ़ो. It is located in the Banihal Pass. है ना? State or UT पचार. Then answer is your, it is Jammu and Kashmir. है ना? वर्तमान रे Banihal Pass is in the Jammu and Kashmir. Banihal Pass देखियो is a mountain pass across the Pir Panjal range, that is 2832 meter, and the maximum level. This mountain range connects your Kashmir Valley in the Indian UT of Jammu and Kashmir to the outer Himalaya and the plains of south. To the outer Himalaya and the plains to the south. This mountain connects Kashmir Valley in the UT and the plains of south. Sorry, just 1 second. This is your Nepal. देखियो Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailash, Pir Panjal, and this is Dolagar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. जेटी मैं देखिए दूसरे तुमको काराकोरम रेंज. This is your Karakoram. This is your Ladakh. 3, Kailash. 4, Pir Panjal. 5th, Dhauladhar. है ना? This mountain range connects the Kashmir Valley in the Indian UT of Jammu and Kashmir to the outer Himalaya plains of the south, particularly Banihal Pass. Okay. तो वर्तमान पीर पांजाल रेंज जो इटा चतुर्थ नंबरटा इटा जम्मू काश्मीर रो वर्तमान जम्मू काश्मीर देखियो जम्मू काश्मीर है दिस इज योर जम्मू काश्मीर पार्टटा इटा आसी है ना एटा खोलला परे हमको देयर इंडियन आर्मी कैन गेट एक्सेस टू द योर लद्दाख वैली आल्सो and also the greater heights of Karakoram range also. The Ganga River Basin. The Ganga River Basin is the largest one in India. Largest one in India. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri situated in the glaciers of Bhagirathi. The Ganga originates from Gangotri situated in the glaciers of Bhagirathi. The Ganga Basin is a part of Ganges Brahmaputra Basin. The Ganga Basin is a part of the Ganga Brahmaputra Basin, running near about 10,86,000 square kilometer. 10,86,000 square kilometer in Tibet, Nepal, India, and Bangladesh. Tibet, Nepal, India, and Bangladesh. To the north, the Himalayas or the parallel ranges beyond form the Ganga Brahmaputra divide. Beyond the form Ganga Brahmaputra divide. On the west of the Ganga basin borders the Indus basins and then the Aravalli Ridge. On the west, it is the Ganga basin and the Aravalli Ridge particularly. से जो Aravalli Ridge टा जो एपटे अच्छी है ना तब को आजे कि इटा है ना it is a water divide between this is Aravalli है ना Aravalli this one is your Aravalli is between your water divide between your Indus and Ganga. Who among the following was the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen? किए से? Terence Bannon, Duncan Cecil, Reynold Messner, and Jean Trollet. First person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. Your answer is your Reynold Messner. We'll discuss this one. Reynold Messner is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. Through which of the following states Chambal River does not flow? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. UP flow korchi, MP भी flow korchi, Rajasthan रे भी flow korchi. Answer is your Gujarat. Does not flow. Answer is what? Does not flow. Gujarat. Next, the Chambal River is a tributary of the Yamuna River. The river flows north-northeast through Madhya Pradesh, running for a time through Rajasthan, then forming a boundary between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, before turning southeast to join the Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. Then forming the boundary between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh before turning southeast to join Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh state. ठीक है, चंबल रिवर ऊपर देखियो, चंबल रिवर ऊपर महाराणा प्रताप सागर डैम राजस्थान ने बनाई छी. गांधी सागर डैम is also on Madhya Pradesh, that is also on Chambal river. Then Reynold Messner, German, is the first person to scale Mount Everest. This is the scale to Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. ठीक है, Reynold Messner, German, ठीक है, to scale oxygen, supplemental oxygen along the Peter Havler in 1978. He is also the first climber to ascend all 14 peaks over 8,000 meters. All 14 peaks over 8,000 meters above the sea level, including the Mount Everest. So he is basically in German, जिनकी प्रथमे Mount Everest चढ़ी German, basically German particularly. Sirhind Canal is located on which river? Sirhind Canal is located on which river? Satluj, Ravi, Bees, and none of the above. Satluj, Ravi, Bees, and none of the above. This option is Sirhind Canal is on the river Satluj. It is on the river Satluj. The Chamera Dam is located in which state or UT? Puducherry, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Jharkhand. ठीक है, Chamera Dam. Which state or UT? Chamera Dam, it is in the Himachal Pradesh. C. We'll discuss. The Chamera Dam is located near the town Dalhousie. Dalhousie is an hill station. Dalhousie. In the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, it impounds the river Ravi and supports the hydroelectricity project in the region. It impounds the river Ravi, supports the hydroelectricity project in the region. The reservoir of the dam is Chamera Lake. The reservoir is your Chamera Lake. The unique feature of the region is the fluctuating day and night temperature. Unit feature. The temperature during day near the dam rises up to 35 degrees Celsius, and drops to a minimum 18 to 20 degrees centigrade at night. The water level in the Chamera Lake rises to maximum 763 meter. 763 meter, while the minimum water level is here 747 meter. Okay. Next देखिए, the Syrian Canal is a large irrigation canal that carries water from Satluj River in the Punjab state. Syrian Canal जो कहा जाए. It is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation works in the Indus River system. Oldest and the biggest irrigation works in the river system, and was inaugurated in 1882 मसीह. Was inaugurated in 1882 AD. The canal begins at Rupar headworks near Rupa city in Roopnagar district of Punjab. Which जगह है? Rupar. Rupar city, that is in the Roopnagar district of Punjab. Rupar city. So Satluj जदि कहा जाए कि सबुठु बड़ जदि रिवर ताले सतलुज रिवर है इंडिया रो सबुठु बड़ रिवर सतलुज. ठीक अछि. Then we'll go for the next question. Question number 9 is your, which of the following river is known as Padma when it enters Bangladesh? Padma when it enters Bangladesh. Padma when it enters Bangladesh. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Ganga, and your Tista and Mahanadi. Padma river jodi kabe, it is your answer is your Ganga. Ganga is your correct answer. Next question we will see. Which of the following countries the world's 25% thorium reserves is maximum? Maximum 25% thorium reserves here. India, China, USA and Russia. Answer is your A. Okay, answer is your A. India. Ganga देखिए. The Padma in Bengali it is known as your Podda is a major river in Bangladesh and India. Major river in Bangladesh and India. Downstream of Giria. It is the main distributary of the Ganga. Padma it is the main distributary of your Ganga. I will draw a diagram and it will have much clarity about this one. Flowing generally southeast of for 120 kilometers to its confluence with the Meghna river near the Bay of Bengal. The city Rajshahi is situated on the banks of this river. City Rajshahi is situated on the banks of this river. City Rajshahi. ठीक है जी. it is Brahmaputra asiki it is Namchaudir it पश्ची it is Bangladesh. Then Ganga is coming from here गंगा ये आसिकी मिश्री तो ये जो जगह मैंने मिश्री दिस इज योर गंगा ठीक अच्छे एंड दिस इज योर ब्रह्मपुत्र है ये जो जगह इट इज बांग्लादेश अच्छे दिस वाज इज बांग्लादेश ये जगह गंगार नाटा है पद्मा दिस इज व्हाट द एग्जैक्ट मैप इज ठीक अच्छे is one of the very fertile Bangladesh is one of the very fertile place in all over the world है बहुत fertility is very high है से जो तमरो jute cultivation बहुत ही बढ़िया होगे बांग्लादेश रे apart from your jute it is also rice cultivation is the same also uranium reserves कथा कहबी India has the modest uranium reserves where it has one of the largest thorium reserves in the world है modest uranium reserves modest uranium reserves where it has the one of the largest thorium reserves in the world. Thorium जो देखिए despite its greater abundance in nature and number of superior characteristics thorium ठीक है जी the fertile thorium 232 thorium 232 has to be converted into uranium 233 has to converted into uranium 233 first used in nuclear reactor deposits dominate in the states of Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala जदि देखिबा वर्तमान थोरियम जोटा की करा होचे थोरियम 232 जोटा की कन्वर्टेड इनटू uranium 233 and ए जो थोरियम रो जो परफॉर्मेंस इट इज हैला greater abundance nature in the superior characteristics thorium रो ही कन्वर्ट करा होचे uranium को तो यदि हम ये देखि परिया मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कोस्टल स्टेट्स पर्टिकुलर दिस इज योर छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू झारखंड ने के ओडिशा हैला देन योर आंध्र प्रदेश देन इट इज तमिलनाडु एंड इट इज केरला ठीक है जी ए चारिटा स्टेट रे मैक्सिमम हैला दिस 5 स्टेट्स रे पर्टिकुलरली हैला मेजर डोमिनेटेड दिस कोस्टल से these are all 5 coastal states ठीक अच्छे ओडिशा आंध्र प्रदेश तमिलनाडु केरला है झारखंड कोस्ट माने वेस्ट बेंगल भी किछि पार्ट रे अछि जस्ट मैं लिखिनी दिस इज आल्सो वेस्ट बेंगल भी रहइबो आ इंक्लूडिंग योर झारखंड टोटल है 6 स्टेट्स रे मेजर तमरा रही पूरा वर्ल्ड रे जब देखिबो इंडिया रा ही योर थोरियम प्रोडक्शन रे इंडिया डोमिनेट करछि thorium production India is demanding that one then Arid Forces Research Institute is located at Koti Rajasthan Haryana Punjab and Kerala Arid Forces Research Institute Koti rayo is located in the Rajasthan है Arid Forces Research Institute is located in the Rajasthan particularly. We have the incorrectly matched pair के भितर Baira Silul project, Sail project in Himachal Pradesh, Solal project in Jammu and Kashmir, Tankura project in Uttar Pradesh, Koel Karo project in Bihar. अभी थ्रू incorrectly matched किए incorrectly matched जदि देखियो it is Koel this is correct Baira Silul project Himachal Pradesh रे Solal project Jammu and Kashmir रे correct Tankura project Uttar Pradesh correct Koel Karo project Bihar it are wrong so this is incorrectly matched so answer is D for Delhi Rajasthan at Jodhpur. This research organization study mainly the climatic phenomena in the Western India and country as a whole. Mainly the climatic phenomena in Western India and country as a whole. कोइलकार प्रोजेक्ट जदि देखियो बिहार रे कोइलकार प्रोजेक्ट it is in the Jharkhand. South Koil river जोटा अच्छी that runs across the Jharkhand and Odisha south. इतनी गोटे डायग्राम बने के देखिए particularly South Koil है Jharkhand and Odisha state in India. It originates on the Ranchi plateau a few miles east of Ranchi, a few miles east of Ranchi, and co-joins the Belsai Nagar and Singhbum rivers. Belsai Nagar and Singhbum. This is your Chota Nagpur plateau. This is your Chota Nagpur plateau. ठीक है South Koil river, this is it basically. The Koil is fed by 3 streams in Jharkhand, namely the North Karo, the South Karo and Koyna. North Karo, South Karo and Koyna. The South Koil enters the Odisha and joins the Sank river. Sank river को join करियो at Vedabhyas near Raurkela, from its name as Brahmani. South Koil enters Odisha and joins the Sank river. South Koil and it joins the Sank river particularly. South Koil and Sank river. So it is जते मो बने भी राउरकेला पाखरे ही से माने हैला कन्फ्लुएंस होची तंकर एटी এটা হলো তোমরা Sank river, and this is your South Koil, ठीक है, and this is your Brahmani, ठीक है, this is your Brahmani. Sank river, and this is your South Koil in the Brahmani river. Next, the water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the following rivers. Good question. The water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the following rivers. Good question. Satluj only, Satluj, Bees and Ravi, Satluj, Bees, Ravi and Chenab. Comes from Indira Gandhi Canal from the following rivers. Good answer is your B, that is Satluj and Bees particularly. Which among the following states in India has the highest production of large cardamom? Large cardamom ro highest के Sikkim, Assam, Gujarat and Kerala. Answer is your A, Sikkim. Large cardamom is cultivated in the sub-Himalayan region of northeastern India. Large cardamom de dekhiyo in the sub-Himalayan regions in the northeastern India, Nepal and Bhutan. Sub-Himalayan region, Nepal, Bhutan. ठीक है जी. It is grow in cold, humid conditions on the shade of trees at an altitude between 8,000 to 2,000 meters above MSL. 800 to 2,000 meters, 800 meter to 2,000 meter MSL level, with an average precipitation of 3,000 to 3,500 mm spread. The precipitation is 3,000 to 3,500 spread over the 200 days, and with the temperature ranging from 6 to 30 degrees centigrade. 6 to 30 degrees centigrade particularly. ठीक है सिक्किम रो लास्ट कार्डामम इज कल्टिवेटेड गुजरा रहउची The Indira Gandhi Canal जदि देखिबा originally it is known as your Rajasthan Canal is the longest canal of India. Indira Gandhi Canal विषय जदि मु कहबी किछटे it's है डायग्राम करी बुझेले बेटर रहबा it starts from Harike barrage at Harike a few kilometers below the confluence of the Satluj and Bees river in the Indian state of Punjab and terminates in the irrigation facilities in the third desert in the northwestern Rajasthan state. Terminates को to irrigation facilities in the third desert in the northwestern Rajasthan state. अच्छा एट जब देखिए ये पंजाब रो बाहर से हरिके दिस इज पंजाब योर हरिके इन पंजाब रू बाहर की थर्ड डेजर्ट पर्यंत कम से कम अच्छी दिस इज योर इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल प्रथम राजस्थान कैनाल कह टर्मिनेट्स नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न ऑफ द राजस्थान स्टेट. ठीक अच्छे सो ये देखिए सॉरी ये देखिए आम इट इज सतलुज बीच रिवर इंडियन स्टेट पंजाब टर्मिनेट्स इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी है जदि कहबी योर इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल जोटा कि इट वाज एन द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज एनविसेज्ड प्रायर टू इंडिपेंडेंस है इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल हवा पछरे वर्ल्ड रे एमती कोनोसी कैनाल नै जोतरे कि वर्ल्ड रे एते लार्ज स्केल रो गोटे रीड पॉकेट रे है द सेटलमेंट्स अराउंड योर desert area they have largely benefited from this project particularly है ना जो सेटलमेंट अच्छी ठीक अच्छे माने डेजर्ट सेटलमेंट पर्टिकुलर डेजर्ट एरिया रे एते एरिड एरिया रे एते लार्ज स्केल कोठी को देश रे भी एते बेनिफिट है नांती लाइक माने द जेंती योर इंदिरा गांधी प्रोजेक्ट कैनाल प्रोजेक्ट रो जेतला हमर अछि दिस इज एन वर्ल्ड क्लास प्रोजेक्ट नियर अबाउट इट टुक्स टू कंप्लीट नियर अबाउट 40 इयर्स 40 वर्ष लागि गेला कंप्लीट हेबा पे इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल. अच्छा नेक्स्ट देखिए इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट्स कपोली हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड कपोली है अरुणाचल प्रदेश आसाम त्रिपुरा एंड नागालैंड है परिबो इट इज आंसर इज योर इट इज आंसर देखियो कपोली हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट इट इज बी आसाम. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ टिपिकल मॉनसून वेजिटेशन इन इंडिया. Typical monsoon vegetation, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, subtropical evergreen forest. Typical monsoon vegetation, it is your tropical deciduous forest. The monsoon vegetation with the it is your tropical deciduous forest. Basically, it is tropical deciduous forest. आता देखिए आसाम आउ ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडुअस ये देखिए प्रथम ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट आर बेसिक पजेस योर मॉनसून वेजिटेशन है आता देखिए डेसिडुअस माने कौन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म डेसिडुअस एटा लिखि नबा कौन during a particular season है ना और इटी हम एमती लिख परियो tree said there SHED shed their lips during a particular season. गोटे particular season रे से माने तंगर पत्र झड़ा दियंती. Example है को जगह रे in the month of autumn है ना. ठीक है. पुणी the lips तब लिखियो the lips regenerate in spring. पुणी spring असला माने regenerate हो. Kapali river जो देखो, Kapali river named after the Kapila, है ना, the sage, the saint sage Kapila in an interstate river northeastern India that flows through the states Meghalaya and Assam. Is the largest south bank tributary of Brahmaputra in Assam. The largest south bank tributary in Brahmaputra in Assam. Now the Kapili originates in the Meghalaya plateau. Meghalaya plateau is originates and flows through the central Assam. And flows through the central Assam and the hill district of Assam before its confluence with the Brahmaputra. Before its confluence in Brahmaputra. Assam. In Assam, it drains in the district of Kabi Anglong, Dim Hasao, Kamrup, and Nagaon. In Assam, the drains district is Koti Karbi Anglong, Dim Hasao, or Dima Hasao, then Kamrup, then Nagaon. These are the 4 districts, Dima Hasao. Itra bahut fraud asta. Karbi Anglong or Dima Hasar mainly, then Kamrup and Nagaon. The river flows a total length of 290 kilometers, 290 kilometers on a both and has a catchment area of near about 16,500 kilometers approximate. It noted for several spectacular waterfalls along its course, which has several deep gorges and rapids. It has several deep gorges and rapids. Okay, gorges and rapids. Gorges or rapids माने gorges माने हमें कहवा जोड़ा कि उड़िया रे में कहती गंडा है ना. Steep sided walls, deep and steep sided wall. Next question लिखवा. Largest brackish water lagoon of Asia is located in which of the following state? Okay. Largest brackish water lagoon, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Odisha. Answer is your D, Odisha. Consider the following: clover, sugarcane and alfalfa. Which among the following are the plantation crops? Kya vitru plantation crops ra clover, sugarcane and alfalfa ro. Here plantation crops. Before it is only 2, sugarcane. The brackish water lagoon in Chilka, Lake Odisha, is the largest coastal lagoon in India, which is home to the number of threatened species of plants and animals. The number of threatened species of plants and animals. Chilka Lake is the largest lagoon in Asia. And the largest wintering ground for migratory birds. Is the largest lagoon in Asia and the largest wintering ground for the migratory birds. And it also supports a unique life of marine brackish and freshwater species. Marine brackish and freshwater species. Marine brackish and freshwater species. A plantation is a large farm or estate. Usually in the tropical and subtropical country. Usually in a tropical and subtropical country where crops that are not consumed for good are grown for sale in distant markets rather than the local consumptions. Such crops include your cotton, coffee, tobacco, sugarcane, sisal, and various oilseeds and rubber trees. Cotton, coffee, tobacco, sugarcane, sisal, various oilseeds and rubber trees. Farms that produce alfalfa, lespedeza, clover, and other forageous crops are usually not called plantations. The term plantation has usually not included large or orchards, but has included the planting of trees for lumber. Planting for trees of lumber. A plantation is always monoculture over a large area. It is basically an monoculture over an large area, and does not include an extensive naturally occurring stands of plants that have economic value. So plantation crops basically आम से जिनसर कहीपर जोटा a large orchard से but has the included planting of trees for lumbers. The plantation is always a monoculture, particularly always with a monoculture plantation. Does it include an extensive naturally occurring stands plants for have an economic value? Next देखिए बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है जो अच्छी. India has been providing assistance to which among the following neighbors for strengthening and extension of embankments? Strengthening and extension of embankments along Lal Bakeya, Bagmati, and Kamla rivers. Lal Bakeya, and this is your Bagmati and Kamla rivers. Lal Bakeya, Bagmati, and Kamla rivers. Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, and Myanmar. Answer is your Nepal. Nepal sangare hi mainly neighbors strengthening an extension of embankments in Lal Bakeya, Bagmati, and Kamla. We'll discuss vividly. There are so many things that Government of India and the Government of Nepal has did many good projects over this for the generation of your hydroelectric power. We'll discuss about this ones. Next question: which among the following spreads from Sasaram and Rohtas in Western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan? Aravalli system, Vindhya system, Dharawad system, and Kadapa system. These are the system group of orogenies in India. Kia bhitru Sasaram in Bihar to Rohtas in Western Bihar. Sasaram and Rohtas in Western Bihar till Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. Vindhya system stretches from Sasaram and Rohtas in Western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. Vindhya system. Sasaram and Rohtas in Western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. These rocks came into existence after Kadapa rocks. Rock existence after Kadapa rocks. These are the sedimentary rocks which are built from sandstone, shale, and limestone. Sandstone, shale, and limestone. Sasaram and Rohtas in Western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. Vindhyan system जदि हमें देखिए is Vindhya and Satpura. Narmada is flowing here. This is your Narmada. अच्छा नेक्स्ट देखिए विंध्यन सिस्टम राइट है. अच्छा ऊपर देखिए लाल बकेया बागमती एंड कमला रिवर्स इंडिया शेयर्स विद नेपाल. लाल बकेया कमला एंड बागमती है ना. यदि This is Lal Bakeya, Bagmati and Kamla. This is your Ganga. They are the tributaries of Ganga. This is Lal Bakeya, Bagmati and Kamla. Lal Bakeya. This may be Kamla River 1, Bagmati 2, Lal Bakeya 3. Lal Bakeya, this is India shares with the Nepal. यहाँ पर कौन कौन सी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड द government of Nepal. They both built your river, HEP hydroelectric projects that are essential for both the countries. Nepal government is getting benefited from this one since Nepal is a not economically sound country. It is depends on your most of the for your needs, daily needs means starting from your food grains, electricity and other industrial equipment. It depends on India. So Nepal Nepal HEP production Nepal जो भी छोटा मोटा industries अच्छी, they all take this powers on this project. Hydroelectric project, they both took the projects. Take the advantage of this. Nepal government and government of India, Lal Bakeya, Bagmati and Kamla, both are. Next question, देखिए. Consider the following projects and their respective states. Talaya, Odisha, Sasan, Madhya Pradesh, Beda Bahal in Jharkhand. Which one of the following is it correctly matched? Talaya, Odisha, Sasan, Madhya Pradesh, Beda Bahal in Jharkhand. Ultra mega power projects and their respective states. Correctly matched ki Anka Vitru. Talaya in Odisha. No, it is wrong. Sasan Madhya Pradesh, yes, it is correct. Beda Bahal Jharkhand, no, it is also not wrong. This is also not wrong. So answer is only two the yes. Let us know the answer. ये जब देखिए अल्ट्रा मेगा पावर प्रोजेक्ट जब देखिए that is called your UMPP are very large size projects, approximately 4,000 megawatt each in capacity. 4,000 megawatt each in capacity. Talaya Ultra Mega Power Project, that is UMPP in Jharkhand, was recently in news and it was abandoned by the original owner Reliance Power and is likely to be auctioned afresh. Beda Bahal UMPP is located near the Sundargarh district of Odisha. Beda Bahal project that is located in the Sundargarh district of Odisha particularly. Sundargarh district of Odisha re majorly hoji. Beda Bahal UMPP located near the Sundargarh district of Odisha. Which are the following geographical term related with the body of land surrounded by water on three sides? Body of land surrounded by water on three sides. This is your Arab Sea, this is your Bay of Bengal, and this is your Indian Ocean. This is an land. Land surrounded by water on three sides. This is known as your peninsula A. This is known as your peninsula. We'll discuss this one. Then, which of the following geomorphological term related with your naturally formed, narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects two large bodies of water? That connects two large bodies of water. with naturally formed narrow typically navigable water that connects two larger bodies of water. Now that is your peninsula, gulf, strait and island. That is your strait. ठीक है. This is your strait. The best example is India. It's also called as Indian Peninsula. Like that, the Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. है Peninsula जोटा कि mostly it is surrounded by your है ना जो देखियो peninsula जो देखियो है ना this is your peninsula देखो एटा भी सेमती Africa side रे भी Africa country रो side रे भी your this is your also Sinai Peninsula particularly. Sinai Peninsula जोटा कि बर्तमान इजराइल और इजिप्ट संगे झगड़ा है Sinai Peninsula को लेके ठीक है जी एंड इट वाज अ लॉन्ग बैक एंड इजराइल आल्सो कैप्चर्ड दिस पार्ट जोटा कि एटा इजिप्ट रो ना दिस इज इजिप्ट रो ठीक है जी Sinai Peninsula is there. Same thing India जो देखियो पेनिनसुला इंडिया पेनिनसुला थ्री साइड्स रो Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico ये भी चारटा साइड रे Yucatan Peninsula Yucatan Mexico रो है Yucatan. The best example of Malacca Strait, Indian Gibraltar, Spain, Europe and Morocco. है ना यदि हम देखियो को कहार कहार स्ट्रेट over देखियो Malacca Strait जोटा कि हमर रोचे your that connects Malacca Strait कहाँ को connect करची this is your Park Strait गला Malacca Strait जदि हम देखियो इठी है ना this is your Sumatra and this is your Java. Sumatra Java तो ये जो जिनसा डाला this is your Malacca Strait. ठीक है जी and the Strait of Gibraltar this is your Strait of Gibraltar in between the Spain and Morocco है ना this is your Spain and this is your Morocco. This is Spain and this is Morocco. Both are in Africa. Spain Morocco भितरे भी हला war हितले that is तोरा जो कहती ट्रिटी ऑफ जिब्राल्टर उठे हितले जिब्राल्टर नहीं की भी उठे हितले जिब्राल्टर ट्रिटी is basically mainly fought between these countries Gibraltar Treaty नहीं है ना past history देखियो there are so many examples those the countries European countries and the Asian countries they fought with together first जब हम देखियो last two question देखियो where is Mayur Kasi project Jammu and Kashmir Punjab West Bengal and Maharashtra Mayur Kasi project कोठी आंसर दे देखियो हमें it is your West Bengal C है which of the following is not matched correctly Ukai project river Tapi Ukai project जब मैं देखियो it is river Tapi है. Then Sardar Sarovar project river Narmada, then Farakka project river Yamuna, Salal project river Chenab. Not correctly match the देखियो किया वितरु. Ukai project is correct. Sardar Sarovar Narmada, this is also correct. Salal project river Chenab, this is also correct. Farakka river Yamuna, this is wrong. Farakka is an Ganga. Markasi river is a tributary of the Hooghly which rises from the Chota Nagpur plateau and flows through Bihar and West Bengal. Right? It is a multi-purpose project of West Bengal to create irrigation potential. Right? It is a multi-purpose project of West Bengal to create irrigation potential, generate power and control floods and erosion particularly. Right? And controls your floods and erosion. Markasi project upare banya pe government has envisaged many times. Before independence, this Markasi project was mainly in the list to provide the water mainly for pratham thila irrigations. First irrigations kariya pe into larger pocket of the area will be benefited from the irrigations, croplands basically. Second is the irrigations per jodi, that is your hydroelectric power generation HEP, hydroelectric power generation. Third, it is your third is your natural reservoir, reservoir for your storage of water. So reservoir hele tamar kon tamara blue revolution bhi increase hejo, means I mean many of the a major chunk of the people, those who are the livelihood is depends on your fish productions. So these are all the benefits that one can get from the when a multi-purpose project of the river valley has been set up. Normally, I am taking it is as an normally. Next, it is river. River Yamuna. जदि हमें ता पूर्व क्वेश्चन देखिए. Sorry. कौन थिला उकाई करेक्ट थिला. सरदार सरोवर नर्मदा रो थिला, that is also correct. Then Farakka river Yamuna and Salal. तो Farakka जदि देखिए, Farakka project भी हमारा basically गंगा ऊपर है, it is not river Yamuna. Farakka barrage जदि मैं लिख लेती, it is across the river Ganga, river located in the Murshidabad district of West Bengal, in the West Bengal. Roughly it is 18 kilometers from the border of the Bangladesh near Sahibganj. Sahibganj is between India and Pakistan, Bangladesh. Farakka barrage township is located in Farakka community development block in Murshidabad district. Construction was started in 1961. 1961 में construction started and completed in 1975. It was completed in 1975 as a cost of your 157 crore. Operations began in 21st April 1975. 21st April 1975. The barrage is about 2304 meter. The barrage is about 2304 meter long. Barrage is about 2304 meter long. So same, यदि हम देखिए कि Farakka barrage यदि इधर Farakka barrage is an irrigation, then HEP, then it is your it is also an reservoir, irrigation HEP and reservoir. Farakka barrage सेवा द्वारा कौन इतना दीटा मेजर जिनसे सॉल्व है, प्रथम है कि वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर, wastage of excess water, basically excess water can be checked that flows to Bangladesh. है ना, बहुत सारा वाटर एक्सचेंज होता है बांग्लादेश को पड़ाऊला है ना, दैट कैन बी स्टोर्ड प्रथमे. सेकेंड योर सेकेंड जब देखिए योर check the silting of check the silting of Farakka. Check the silting of your Kolkata port, both Kolkata and Haldia port. Hello? This facilitates the easy access of ship. Ship manakar jo easy access, this your because of majorly Farakka, jota ki these are the two main reasons why your the Farakka barrage has been constructed over the lane particularly. ठीक अच्छे. सो दिस इज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ टुडे. तो मु गोटे जिनस भी सजेस्ट करी कि ए हिसाब से जब पढ़ा विल गेट इट सो मेनी थिंग्स विल बी रिजॉल्व जल्दी तमें आम जानले प्रोजेक्ट ऊपर को जार कोठी अछि वेस्ट बंगाल. सो मोर ऑफ द थिंग्स वी हैव डिस्कस इन द एनालिटिकल वे जोटा कि हमको हेल्पफुल रहइबो हैला. इट विल बी ऑलवेज a pleasure to know much things rather than only the studying the only important part, because सेते तमरा बहुत गुडे पर्पस तमरा सॉल्व वे जनरली बेसिकली मु तुमको जिनस कहबी. ओके सेमती आहरी जदि देखियो तमे पर्टिकुलरली हम जदि देखिबा कि ए जो मल्टी रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट्स एआर भी गोटे लिस्ट बनेले भी बहुत सारा हेल्प हबो को स्टेट रे को प्रोजेक्ट्स अछि जेमते ओडिसा रे मध्य प्रदेश रे हैला को स्टेट को प्रोजेक्ट्स गुडा एटा भी रहले गोटे हमरो डिस्कशन रे निजर जो जानिबाटे हमको बहुत रहइबो जेतरे हेल्पफुल रहइबो हैला. बडोडे जगह रे कोन वे बॉर्डरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट ए बॉर्डरिंग स्टेट भीतर भी कंफ्यूजन टिके टिके रहे को स्टेट रे कोटा, तो सेही केस रे हमको टिके देखिया पड़े से जिंस रे हैला बॉर्डरिंग स्टेट भीतर को जगह रे कोटा रहइबो. सो जदि हमें देखिबा এই ভড়া ভাবে আমি পড়লে বহুত গুলো জিনিস আমি কভার করে পারিবা. সো हैला आज ପାଇଁ তাহলে এতিকি. উইল अगेन meet in the next session. So